Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a Douyin inspired makeup look. So let's get started. First, I'm using this moisturizer by Requil. It is the ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. This is gonna hydrate my base and keep my makeup intact. And this moisturizer is great if you have dry skin like mine. Next, I'm using this concealer by Inside Cosmetics. It's a cream concealer and has a buildable formula, so you can get the kind of coverage you like. Since I don't really like using foundation, I'm also gonna use this concealer on my nose, under my chin, and on the corners of my mouth. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my fingers really well. Moving on, next I'm doing my nose contour. I'm using this Mars eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. I'm doing the button nose contour in which you draw two lines on the sides of your nose and a circle in the point of your nose. And since we're going for the Chinese makeup style, I really want my nose to look a little slim. I'm also going to use the same eyebrow pencil to contour my cheeks and blend everything out with my fingers. Next I'm going to fill my eyebrows with a brown eyebrow pencil. Remember, you don't want to use a black eyebrow pencil for this one. It's just going to make your eyebrows look harsh. We want a softer look, so opt for a brown one instead. And next I'm going to set my under eyes with a translucent powder. You can even use a setting powder or any loose powder you like. This is gonna brighten my under eye and also set everything really nicely. This is how my base looks, and let's move on to our eye makeup. First, I'm using this light shade and putting it all over my eyes. This is gonna mattify my eyes and make it ready for the next color we're gonna use. Next, I'm using this really light coral shade and putting it all over my eyelid and dragging it up to my eyebrows. This is gonna act as a transition shade. And I'm also going to apply it under my eyes as well. Next, you're going to get a dark coral shade and put it on the outer lids of your eyes. This is going to add more depth to your eyes. Next, you're going to grab a liner brush and get a deep magenta shade and underline your waterline with it. This is going to add depth. With that same shade, you're going to do your aiguisal like this. You just want to follow your natural eye bag shape as I'm doing here. I'm going to quickly do it in the other eye as well. Next, I'm doing my liner, and I completely forgot that the camera was in the wrong angle. I wasn't able to record the process. I'm really sorry for it. Anyways, this is how it looks, and I'll be posting a detailed tutorial on it very soon. Lastly, I'm just gonna apply mascara on my eyelashes. First, I'm gonna overline my cupid's bow and my whole lip with this pink lip liner. This is the Swiss Beauty's lip liner in the shade purple. You wanna overline your upper lip specifically and blend it out really well. Then I'm gonna fill it in with a nude lipstick. I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Hold Me On matte lipstick in the shade 02 Spicy Nude. Then I'm just gonna use a little bit of hot pink lipstick and put it in the inner part of my lip and blend it out really well. This is gonna add more depth into my lips and give that pink glossy effect. Lastly, I'm gonna top it off with a lip gloss. I'm using a nude one here. You can also use a clear one if you'd like. This is how we look so far. Now let's move on to our blush and highlighter. I'm using a powder blush over here. Make sure to use a powder blush and highlighter over your face, because if you use a cream one after setting your face, it's just gonna make it cakey and everything's gonna peel off. And also apply your highlighter in this diagonal motion so it gives you the most glow. Lastly, I'm gonna take a highlighter bit on my finger and put it on the bridge of my nose to make it look sculpted. I'm done with the makeup, and let's do my hair and outfit within a snap. Here's how it looks. Let me know if you liked it or not in the comments down below. And also let me know what kind of tutorials you'd like me to do next. Like and subscribe for more such content, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!